your exclusive 7 Storm Team forecast.
Greetings one and all. Well, we do have some snow-covered roadways across the region. We have quite a few, as a matter of fact. And of course, with the temperature hovering above the freezing mark all day long, we're going to see temperatures eventually fall below freezing later on tonight. Now that the sun is set and some cold air pushing in will help to refreeze some of the moisture on the area roadways. So definitely use a lot of caution out there tonight, because roads just like these you're seeing on the Sleep Type weather cam will become slick in many places if they're not already snowpacked. So keep that in mind as you drive across the region. Here are some snowfall totals that I have pulled together for you from the region today. 4 inches or thereabouts here in Quincy, 5.5 inches reported down in Hannibal. Fort Madison, you came in with 3 inches of snowfall. Macomb, 5 inches. Edina, look at that, 8.9 inches for you. And Shelbina, Missouri, 7 inches out to the east in Brown County, Illinois. Mount Sterling, a few miles east of there, 7.6 inches of snow. Not quite as much as anticipated right here in the metropolitan Quincy and Hannibal areas. We had some warm air pull into the storm system and then helped to bring about some precipitation in the form of rain and sleet rather than snow. Some of the heavier snowfall totals occurring out west of Kirksville and Shelby County back out towards Kansas City. They saw some locations that saw a foot of snow. We have lots of clouds around right now. The area of low pressure right across the region here, still stirring up some snow over parts of north central, parts of Illinois, back on into Iowa, and we're not quite done with the snow ourselves here. We've had a lull all afternoon, a little light rain out there, some sleet, but light snow continues across the region as we go on into tonight and tomorrow. Minor accumulations possibly of 1 to 3 inches for many of us as we go on through tomorrow evening. And then we're going to look at a cold but dry weekend as we head on into Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures should top out around 30 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Overcast conditions right now at the airport with 32 degrees. The winds are out of the north at 18 miles an hour. We hit 37 degrees today just after midnight. Our low 32 degrees, our current reading right now. Across the region, lots of cold temperatures, but just not cold enough to keep all the precip in the form of snow, especially right here in Quincy and down towards Hannibal. 34 for you in Hannibal right now, 32 here in town, 36 in Keokuk, 31 in Macomb, and 32 degrees as well out in Kirksville. So the large system is right now tracking right across Missouri and Illinois. You can see that swirl on your TV screens here, indicating some snow still building across parts of Illinois, Wisconsin, and of course back into Iowa and out to the west of Kansas City. We have the clouds right now with some flurries, but as we go on through tonight and tomorrow, look at the map, still painting out some snow across the region. As we go through the overnight hours, don't be surprised to see some snowfall over much of the tri-states, an inch or two, and then as we go through the day tomorrow, continuing with another inch or so as we finally wind things down later on tomorrow night here in the tri-states. So for tonight, that light snow will be around 28 degrees for an overnight low. Later on tomorrow, more light snow chances continuing. Highs around 34 degrees with northwest winds gusting to near 25 miles per hour. Later on tomorrow night, light snow lingers for a time. Northwest winds 10 to 20 with a low around 25 degrees. Flurries for Thursday and Friday. Temperatures right around the freezing mark there of 32, 33 degrees. Saturday and Sunday look dry right now, and we will go with lows still right around the freezing point. As we head into Monday and Tuesday, look at that. What is that? That's another system potentially bringing some rain and some snow back into the tri-states. So enjoy a dry weekend, Carol and Stephen, and of course Chris. But as we go on into next week, well, looks like there's a little something coming down the pike at us.
I'd like to get just a couple more degrees on there so we can get a little more melting.
A little more melting. That would be
nice.
That would be nice. And of course, Friday is the first day of March, so we'll see what we can do.
Okay, thanks, Mike.